Find the value of n in each of the following. Now here one question is a 2 by 3 power 3 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5 equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. But before solving this problem, I want to explain 10 to the power 10 square 10 to the power of 2 means this is called base and this is called power. Okay, or we can say exponent. Okay, or we can call exponent. So now we have to find 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5, 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. So we have to find what is the value of n. So 2 by 3, this 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, these are the bases of what? These powers. So here what we have to do means, see here base are equal now according to the law of identity, a power n into a power n equal to a power n plus n. Here base is same. Here also, here also. Like that here also base is same. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So what we have to do? 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 2. Powers are added. 3 plus 5. Okay. Equal to, what is the right side? As it is we have to write 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Now next what we have to do means, here also bases are equal, are there? No. So what we have to do? So exponents also we have to equate it. So hence bases are equal, so exponents are also equal. We have to equate the exponents also. Exponents means powers. These powers are there, no, that are exponents, and this 2 by 3 is the base. Now here bases are equal, now here bases are equal, now here also 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. So powers are equated. So what are the 3 plus 5? We have to take only the powers. 3 plus 5 equal to n minus 2. Here power is what? N minus 2. We should not take bases. Now here bases are equal now. Now we have to find the value of n minus 2. So n we have to find. We have to find the value of n. So we have to take only powers. So hence bases are equal. So exponents are also equal. Now what are the power of this 2 by 3? 3 plus 5. And the power of 2 by 3 is what? N minus 2. Now 3 plus 5 equal to how much? 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is 7, 8 equal to n minus 2. As it is we have to write. Now this n minus 2 take this side. So minus 2 what will become? Plus 2 equal to n. Therefore n equal to 8 plus 2 equal to how much? 10. So we got the value n equal to 10. So our next question is minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 power 5 equal to minus 3 power minus 4. So here also as it is, our formula is what? A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. So here also bases are equal. So first what we have to do? We have to take the left hand side first. So minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5. How we have to write? Minus 3 according to the law of identity, minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 plus 5. We have to add the powers like this. By using this formula we are writing like this, minus 3 power n plus 1 plus 5. We are taking this power also. We are writing only one base, which is equal to minus 3 power minus 4. Now here also, hence what we have to write? Hence bases are equal now, both side, left hand side and right hand side. Hence bases are equal. So what we have to equal we have to do? So exponents also. Exponents. These exponents are there, no? That exponents. So exponents are equal. So exponents are equal. Now what are the exponents? N plus 1 plus y equal to, here right hand side exponent is what? Minus 4. Now we have to find the value of n. So n plus 1 plus y equal to how much? 6 equal to minus 4. So now we have to find the value of n. So we will take only n and this 6 will go this side. So his plus 6 is there now. After going this side it will become minus 6. First we will write minus 4. Then this plus 6 will come this side. It will become minus 6. N equal to minus 10. So we got the value of n.